The collected works of Sri Ramana Maharishi, Chapter 9, Occasional Verses. Tiruchuzi, self that dances as unbroken bliss in devotees' hearts. Shiva unique, the light supreme that shines unceasing in bright Tiruchuzi. Bestow your grace on me and shine as heart within my heart. Virupaksha Cave, the formless and imperishable being, stands revealed in this my Aruna hill, the embodied presence of the three-eyed God. Since the Virupaksha cave sustains the devotees themselves who dwell within the heart cave of that God, well may we call it Mother. A devotee desired to have a Tamil version of a stanza on God Subramaniam with the substitution of Ramana for the God's name. Sri Bhagavan wrote the following: Destroyer of the darkness, in the virtuous cave dweller, imperishable one, compact of light, Sun eternal, wielder of the javelin of awareness, Ramana in the heart cave, him let us adore. Ramana Ashtotra Satanamostotra Invocation. Sri Bhagavan wrote the following two stanzas as the invocation to the hymn of 108 names addressed to Bhagavan. Let us meditate in the heart on Ramana, the boundless ocean of being, awareness, bliss, of which the universe is but a wave, the steadfast one, established firmly in the heart cave's depth, free from distracting thought. To you who gained new birth by remembering the feet of Arunachala Shiva and swept away by the vast swelling tide of his grace divine, became himself, to you who, dwelling in the heart as sole monarch, purify the word by constant tapas, to you, Sri Ramana, the word transcending light, we offer adoration. Vishnu, whenever dharma wanes and adharma waxes, you take birth for sustaining virtue and the virtuous and laying low all wickedness. Thus you renew earth life, mysterious one. Who then are we to conceive your form? Deepavali. The following two verses explain the significance of Deepavali, the festival of lights. The day that Narayana grinds to death the Naraka ego in the quest of knowledge, inquiring whence the Naraka I rises to rule the Naraka world. That day is the light festival of Naraka Chaturdashi. To search and slay the sinner, the Naraka ego, corrupted by the thought that one is the Naraka form, the false body tenement, and to shine as the true self. This is the Deepavali indeed. From the Ram Gita, two stanzas of the Ram Gita were rendered into Tamil version by Sri Bhagavan. Whether sinking or rising, whether coming or going, through action the body is fleeting. The self-realized Siddha is as oblivious of his body as a man dead drunk is of his clothes. Even the conjurer deludes the world but is not himself deluded. How strange would it be if the Siddha himself is deluded and adds to the delusion of the word? Cause and effect. He whose action is the nature of men, women, and the rest of living beings. He whose glance is the first cause of the word, the dweller in the mind of gods, the Lord who destroys and creates the universe. This Lord regard as Hara. Miracle of Dakshinamurti. Who is the youthful Guru beneath the banyan tree? Very old are the pupils who seek him. The handsome teacher's speech is silence. Cleared are all the pupils' doubts. Under the wonderful banyan tree shines the youthful Guru. Aged pupils come to him. Silence is this teacher's speech. Gone are the doubts in the pupils' minds. This was written in Sri Bhagwan's last days. As one let go the leaf after eating the food, the seer sheds his body. The Self. If one realizes one's true nature within one's heart, it is the plenitude of being, awareness, bliss, without beginning or end. The cow Lakshmi. On Friday, the 5th of Ani in the year Sarvadhari, the 12th day of the waxing moon, under the asterism Visakha, the cow Lakshmi attained Mukti. To Ishvara Swami, who wanted to know the names of Sri Bhagwan's hometown and parents, the mind and heart of the true seer cannot leave and can only emerge from the sunset-colored one. However, my father was Sundara of tree surrounded Tiruchuzi, and my mother was Alagamma, the worshipper of his feet. To Ishvara Swami's questions about the names of Hara and Uma in the local shrine, the dancing deity in Tiruchuzi on Pavahari is Bhumisa and his consort Sahayamba. To a question why the marks of Muruga are not visible in Ramana, the javelin, the bright eastern hill, the mother's milk of grace, the 12 arms, the big blue peacock, mind beguiling, all these are there in the measure that one lives in the word in fear of Ramana, the mother, in fear of Ramana's mother. Liberation. The dove escaping from the hunter's hand escapes too from the forest. It is said, when the hunter hunting for the eye gains freedom, the forest shrinks into a home. Silence. The state of grace is the speech that rises in the heart of silence. One letter. All the letters in this book add up to a single imperishable letter. This, as written, you have read. The single letter shines forever of its own accord within the heart. Who can hope to write it?